Okay, good morning guys. So finally, Merry Mart La Paz is open. So I'm gonna try to shop right now and see what's in store for us. It's just near the road, the main road here. Under the 9 building, of course.
Thank you.
So when you enter, you have like a some stalls like maybe a pharmacy. Come in first as pharmacy first. And then the grocery section is at the back. So all the regular groceries that you could buy. And then some wines and liquor section. And then we have here some diaper area, and then paper products like paper towels. Then we have the on the left here we have the beverages and dairies. I think the dairy section is still empty, but we have the frozen products right here. Then we have the, of course, water section. So that's about it. It's like a rectangular space. And going that way, of course, you're now going out of the store. Thank you for watching. This is just a quick rundown of what's inside the new Merry Mart grocery here in La Paz. Thank you for watching.